Alright, today we're going to do a Borealis scene with mountains. We'll see how it goes and hopefully it looks good.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what was the secret organization behind modern abstract expressionism?
Alright, let's start with the color. Titanium white, Mars black, burnt umber, Van Dyke brown, yellow ochre, quin blue, phthalo blue, primary yellow, phthalo green, quin red. Let's get the party started. So we've taken the initial stance. We did kind of this neutral blue. I've added a little bit of greens. There is a lot of that in the sky, so I figured just work with that. There's this neutral gray. I'm not sure this is the right color, but it's kind of this brown, green, weird color. That's going to be a lot lighter, I think, when we finish. It's going to be more orange. And then you have this nice turquoise kind of base layer. It's got to be a little more green. It's not very greenish right now. So we'll work on that in the next layer. All right, now we're going to add kind of the swirling effects of the Borealis in here. Kind of tighten that up, bring in this kind of nice brown haze in here. Going to add a yellow light. This is basically just make more turquoise water. I don't know about this bush. I'll probably just take it out. It doesn't really add much to the composition, so you don't need to protect the whole photo, right? So yeah, we'll see where it goes from here.
So modern abstract expressionism was a movement in the 50s with action painting, de Kooning, Jackson Pollock, several others, and it was a complete break from the past, similar kind of, and I would say kind of a continuation of Cubism, taken to the real destiny of Cubism versus what Picasso kind of reverted back to some realism style after that, kind of socialist realism basically. But these guys actually, came by and, completely destroyed it with complete abstractionism. And the CIA was actually, in fact, beyond promoting these artists that looked, this really crazy new movement as a contrary to socialist realism, but the communists under the USSR, Cuba, and basically the cold front between the capitalist governments and communism. So this was one of the weapons of the Cold War, was to promote these artists, because any communist government, they really actively promote communist art form. You can see this even today with North Korea is a really good example, because they're kind of Stalinist per se, with the real extremism in state art and art of the cult figure, which is obviously the Kim family. And in China, you can see this as well with Xi Jinping. He became president for life recently, scrapped the whole system of president every 5 years, which kind of protected the communism from going overboard like it did in the past, because you have new ideas come to the front. Now he's just locked in. So probably it's going to be a huge, huge crash, but there's going to be a lot of artistic movement under Xi Jinping related to him, like Xi Jinping thought. He did a book, and now that's been promoted all over the place and trying to make him look like a fatherly figure. The funny thing is, people criticize him with Winnie the Pooh, and now that's banned in China because Winnie the Pooh is really dangerous. So the new populist figure unofficially is Winnie the Pooh, but that's kind of a short history of the CIA and art during the Cold War.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has kind of the sharpest Borealis with a really sharp night sky. There's no reflection over the ocean. There's a little bit of nightlight in the distance. I really like the dark to light contrast in this painting. I think it works the best. The clouds in the background, they might be better colored, maybe more of a purple tinge, but you know, I'm just going to leave it as is and move on to my next paintings. But hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.